Hello traders, welcome to the Elliott Wave SPX.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 4th and the chart of the day for today is SPX 60 minutes time frame here. So you can see the index continues to rally higher. If you look at the shorter cycle, we ended with 1 here. In the minute degree, this is with 2 at 59.41 and continues to extend higher in a new all-time high. And currently within with 3 of 3, right? If you look at the momentum, we got a little bit of a divergence in the shorter cycle. So another possibility will be ending with 5 here, with 5 of 1, and then see a pullback in the wave 2 in a bigger 3 waves like this before higher again. So I think there's another possibility there, right? But for now, this is the most aggressive view we can come up with in the SPX, okay, that we are doing a with 3 of 3, right? With the other option being ending 1 of 3 and then see a pullback first in the 2 of 3. Now let's zoom out a little bit and get some ideas in the medium term, right? So I'm going to zoom out to the daily time frame. I'm placing in the 1 and the 2 here, same 1 2 that you saw in the 1 hour time frame. That's the position. All right, so every one of you know that this is the low after the tariff war news, right? And now all-time high. Now first of all, look at the momentum in the daily time frame. There is no divergence. Momentum is at the highest and the strongest. So this is telling us that this is actually not a wave 5. So initially we thought it could be wave 5 because the rally is getting to extend it. In other words, it could be that this is 1 2, right? Something like 1 2 maybe, and maybe 3 4, and then now we are at the end of the wave 5. But the momentum doesn't say that. The momentum say this is the strongest, and therefore most likely we are actually still only within wave 3 from here, right? So think about it. Okay, so if this is, let's say, the higher degree 1 and 2, then we are now only within wave 3 from this low, right? So you can label this 1 2 3 4 5 of some kind, ending with 1 here with a very shallow wave 2, right? Shallow wave 2 and already extends higher with no divergence. So it's a powerful rally basically. Okay, it's a powerful rally, and you can downgrade to the 4-hour time frame and same conclusion, right? Look at this, the momentum very strong, no divergence whatsoever. So this is not a wave 5, most likely it's not wave 5. So you know, it's tempted to try to count this some sort of like a 1 2 3 4 5, like a 1 2, maybe put 3 4 here, or maybe you put 3 4, maybe you tempted to label it like this, right? Like a 1 2 3 4, and then maybe we are just extending higher within wave 5, but it's not. RSI is telling you this is the strongest rally so far. So we are actually still within wave 3 based on the probability, all right? And then therefore we still have quite some way to go. Still basically not yet ready to do a bigger correction anytime soon. Okay, so in the shorter cycle, there were any pullback should be supported in 3711. In the very near term, I present you two possibilities. This is the most aggressive bullish view, and the less aggressive bullish view is simply that we are ending 5 of 1 like this, right? We're ending 5 of 1. I mean, I can change around some of the positioning here, like a 1 2, something like that, you know. Or I can put it this way, 1 2 here, 3 4, and then 5, and then you got a bigger 3 waves, but it's not that big. It's just still within the 1 hour. It's not a correction in the 4-hour or daily or weekly, so it's not that big of a pullback. Maybe 100 to 200 points at most. Okay, and then from there we can extend higher again as long as we stay above 59.41. All right, so those are the two possibilities, and here is the most bullish view for now. So if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and I will provide the link in the description of the video. You can also go to our website. Again, the link, you can just use the link that I provide in the description, and this one is where you can take the trial if you want, and then this is the plans and pricing that we have. We have several different plans, and we have 4th of July promotion, limited time offer. If you are new members, you can take advantage of this offer. And then education, we also got some sales here, so you can check out which classes is going to help you to learn more about Elliott Wave. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.